I, Akifeza Grace Ngabirano, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Today, independent candidate, Member of Parliament Grace Ngabirano Akifeza has taken an oath in the Parliament of Uganda as a woman Member of Parliament for Kisoro District, following the passing away of Honorable Sarah Mateke, who was also the State Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs.
I, Akifeza Grace Ngabirano, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
After swearing in, Honorable Akifeza was welcomed by the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Anita Among, who handed over a copy of Rules of Procedure and Ugandan Constitution.
You to be effectively perform your duty, here is a constitution for you, the supreme law of the land, and here are the rules of procedure that you'll be using in your day-to-day work. I want to congratulate you for coming to the 11th Parliament.
Speaker Among urged her to be a servant leader and follow in the footsteps of the late Sarah Mateke Nyirabashitsi.
It's a people-centered parliament, and where we believe we should take parliament to the people and bring people to the Parliament of Uganda. I want to urge you to be a servant leader. Serve your people of Kisoro. Start from where the late left.
After swearing in ceremony, Honorable Akifeza Grace Ngabirano and her dear husband Ngabirano hosted their supporters and people that accompanied them at their home in Chiwature. Speaking to Church of Uganda Family TV, Honorable Akifeza vowed to work for the people of Kisoro, especially accomplishments of the unfinished work.
Overwhelmed by the happening that I've become the winner of the race that was highly contested and with lots of vigor. I really want to appreciate everyone for participating. Whether a supporter or non-supporter, there was this feeling that yes, Akifeza was the person that the district wanted, and even those who were not able to to show physically underground, they were doing the work. There are pending projects that were happening, some theaters, theater which was being built, there's a bridge which was being built actually so far. It has caused some floods in the area. It was where water was diverted. I'm going to add my voice and to follow up on what was being done and see how we can best finish it up.
She further promised to take on the legacy of late Honorable Sarah Mateke Nyirabashitsi.
I hope to follow her steps because as I moved throughout Kisoro, she was such a great leader, and they kept telling me, just be like Sarah, we are with you, do the things she used to do, and we will be happy with you. I look forward to really try and work like she did, but of course I'll have to put in my own input.
Akifeza's father, Christopher Bakanya, and other politicians from Kisoro district expressed their gratitude for Honorable Akifeza Grace swearing in.
Mwakoze nanje kunyishura ibyo nabakoreye kuko government zose mwakuriyemo zari z'ubururu nashakaga, so mwakoze kunyishura ngwakeba kaja kwa nyamugarura niko abakiga bavugaga.
A few words to her is that she has come in at a time when it's only 1 year to the expiry of the term, 2021-2026. So she has to understand very quickly the rules of the game so that she can be able to participate effectively.
The people of Kisoro, who I think are happier and not quarreling, because the losing and the winning teams conceded to each other that this is the right decision of the people of Kisoro. Now I call upon Grace, Honorable Grace, my dear sister. I'm here, the governor of Kisoro. You have fellow members of parliament who are representing Kisoro. Let's work together.
I really want to thank the people of Kisoro for voting Honorable Akifeza overwhelmingly. We are very excited, we are very happy, and we feel Honorable Akifeza Grace is going to be the uniting factor for the people of Kisoro district.
Julius, muhumuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.